Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 17th, 2023. What about this? What if NEO stock is actually undervalued? How could you tell? Could you see it from the chart and actually know that NEO could be undervalued? Of course. If price is showing its reluctancy into going down, then it tells you that the market overall is buying up NEO. And they won't buy a stock unless they figure out that it's a greater likelihood that it's going to go up. Let me show you all what I'm talking about, because you guys can see it. I did a price prediction in NEO right there on April the 9th, okay, 2023. You guys can see my idea was for NEO to go down, right? And we actually got that here on this day, okay, April the 12th. This is where we saw our initial idea that price was weak, right here. Now, following this day though, like once you see your actual idea come to fruition, you start to pay more attention. And following that day, look at this, April the 13th, and then on the 14th, NEO still didn't go down though. Following that weakness, following the selling right here on April the 12th, the market ended down 5.36%. You would expect price to continue to move that direction lower, but instead the next 2 days, price in NEO held $9. Again, the market speaks to us every day. If you're not seeing a continuation of weakness, then it's telling you that you're on the wrong side of the market. Now that's on the daily time frame. What about on the 2-day chart? Okay, look at this. We have 9 hours and 7 minutes left. And the market currently is closing higher than the previous 2 days. Again, if there's not sellers here, we're on the wrong side. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Following this 3-day price bar, right there, we should see continuation of move to the downside in NEO. But instead, what we're getting is buyers right here. This is where the buyers are showing up into the market in NEO. Take a look at where the market opens and closes on these 3-day price bars. Charts don't lie. It is what it is. That's indications that the market is buying. Take a look at this. This is NEO on the 5-day. This is where weakness definitely should have occurred over the next 5 days. Following this 5-day price bar, market should have definitely gone down. But take a look. It's not. It closed higher than the previous 5 days. So the market bought. The market is buying right here. Okay. This is where the market is buying, because they're not letting price fall. Every time price comes down to this $9 area, it continues to be supported. Okay, just showing you all what's going on. Here it is on the weekly time frame. So yes, we do recognize that there's still sellers here. Okay, so I'm not telling you that this market is ready to explode or rally, but rather this is where buyers are at. Okay, because this weekly price bar closing down here off the highs is definitely telling us that sellers are still here too. Okay, now does it mean that NEO is going to go all the way up to $15 right now? No, it doesn't mean that. I'm simply showing you buyers. Okay, so I'm done. What does it mean now? Well, I need to get rid of this current idea of looking for NEO to go down. Okay, so we were down the last trade of Friday. You guys can see we're down 3%. I'd rather take the 3% loss than continue to expect price or losses to increase. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut that out the way. And considering what we know now, we're going to look for price in NEO to trend up. Okay, now $9 is where we want to see price hold support, but let's say that it doesn't. We're willing to say that NEO stock is going to continue to trend higher. Okay, as long as price holds like $8. This will do $8. Okay, now first target, price target, is going to be here around $10. Okay, so that's 7.77%. You guys can see right there with the magnifying glass. Okay, around $10 is what we're looking at. Now, the only thing that I don't like is that price in NEO is trading below our trend line. So we got to be careful. Okay, once we see price in NEO break this trend line, then we can definitely be a little bit more bullish. But until that time, understand that that is currently a hindrance to NEO's price progression. My second target is going to be around $10.65, 14.67% there, $10.63. Okay, that's it. Those are the only two targets I'm going to put on the chart right now until we see price break this downtrend line. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.